Savory pies, a slice of delicious English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is as fun as having your favorite snack. Today, we're going to talk about a delicious phrase that's sure to make your mouth water: savory pie. If you've ever wondered what makes a pie savory, or how you can use this phrase in your daily English conversations, then you're in for a treat. Let's dive in and explore this tasty topic. The word savory in English refers to flavors that are spicy, salty, or herbal. Basically anything that is not sweet. When we talk about a savory pie, we are describing a pie that is filled with such savory ingredients. Unlike sweet pies, which might be filled with fruits and topped with whipped cream or sugar, savory pies are often filled with meats, vegetables, cheese, and various herbs and spices. Examples of savory pies include the classic British meat pie, the delicious Italian calzone, and the comforting American chicken pot pie. These pies are often served as a full meal and are especially popular in colder weather because of their warm, hearty nature. Savory pies have a rich history and are an important part of many cultures' cuisines. In this section, we will take a quick journey around the world to see how different countries have their unique twist on savory pies. For example, in the UK, savory pies are a staple in pubs and family dinners, representing comfort food at its finest. From steak and kidney pie to shepherd's pie, these dishes tell stories of the country's culinary past. In Australia, a meat pie with tomato sauce is a common grab-and-go lunch item. The importance of these dishes lies not only in their taste but also in how they bring people together and reflect a sense of tradition and home cooking. Now that you know what savory pie is and its significance, let's talk about how to incorporate this phrase into your English conversations. When discussing food preferences, I prefer savory pies over sweet pies because they're more filling. While inviting someone to dinner, would you like to come over for a homemade savory pie tonight? Discussing recipes, I'm looking for a good recipe for a savory pie. Do you have one? Remember, talking about food is a common way to make conversation in English and share cultural experiences. That's a wrap on our delicious journey exploring the phrase savory pie. I hope this video has expanded your English vocabulary and maybe even tempted you to try making or tasting a savory pie yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and bon appétit!